Hello students, hope you are all doing fine. In the previous class we discussed about matrices, how to add two matrices. We shall continue with the similar kind of problems. Let's look at the board. Our first problem for today. If x minus 1, 2, 5 minus 5, 0, z minus 1, 7, 1, 0, a minus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 7, 1, 0, 0. Find x, y, z and a. Here it is given that these two matrices are equal. Whenever matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. So what shall we do here is x minus 1 is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 plus 1, x is equal to 2. 5 minus y is equal to 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to y, 2 is equal to y, therefore y is equal to 2. Z minus 1 is equal to 4, z is equal to 4 plus 1, z is equal to 5. A minus 5 is equal to 0, a is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 5, a is also equal to 5. That's about this problem. Shall discuss the next problem. Next, find the trace of 1, 3 minus 5, 2 minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 1. Here, given matrix is 1, 3 minus 5, 2 minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 1. Trace means you have to add the principal diagonal elements. Trace is equal to 1 plus of minus 1 plus 1. That is plus 1 minus 1 cancel, you have 1. Therefore, trace of the given matrix is 1. You have to take the principal diagonal elements and add all the principal diagonal elements, that will give you the trace. Let us discuss the next problem. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. B is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Find 3b minus 2a. Consider 3b minus 2a, that is 3 into 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 2 into 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Here, multiply every element with 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, minus 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, 2. Subtract these two. how to subtract? You have to subtract the corresponding elements. 9 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6, 6 minus 4, 9 minus 2. That is equal to 9 minus 2, 7, 6 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 6, minus 3, 3 minus 6, minus 3, 6 minus 4, 2, 9 minus 2, 7. So this is the required matrix. In the next problem we shall discuss how to multiply two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. How to multiply two matrices is, before going to this we shall discuss the condition. Two matrices A of the order m by n and B of the order p by q are conformable for multiplication if n is equal to p, that is the number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, then only the two matrices A and B are conformable for multiplication, that is n must be equal to p, then only these two matrices can be multiplied. Now I want you to write a definition, please note down. Matrix multiplication A is equal to Aij of the order m by n, B is equal to Bij of the order n by p, n dash, this is p dash. Then the matrix C is equal to Cij of the order n by p, where C is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to n Aik Bkj is known as product of A and B. Note down this definition. We shall start multiplication of two matrices. Let us discuss first problem. Find the product of two matrices wherever possible. First one, -1 4 2 5 1 3. Second one, 2 1 4 6 -2 3 1 2 1. Let us discuss these two problems. Here, what is the order of this matrix 1 by 3? Here it is 3 by 1. The number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So we can multiply these two matrices. How to multiply is elements of rows with columns. -1 into 5 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3. You will get a singleton matrix. 5 into -1, -5 plus 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 5, 5. This is of the order 1 by 1. 1 by 1. The remaining matrix will be of the order 1 by 1. Right. Let us discuss this problem. How many rows are there? 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. Here it is 3 rows and 1 column. Number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So you can multiply these two. Remaining matrix will be of the order 2 by 1. So let us multiply. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, rows with columns, 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1, 6 into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, that is 2 plus 2 plus 4, and here you have 6 minus 4 plus 3, 2 plus 2 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 minus 4, 5. So this is of the order 2 by 1. This is how you multiply two matrices. We shall discuss some more problems in the next class, children. That's all for today's class.